Welcome in one more discussion on Google Classroom. From the beginning of our faculty training and development program, we have been talking about various uses, various features of Google Classroom. It is simply because the entire program is conducted on the platform of Google Classroom. Still, there are some features and some uses of Google Classroom are necessary to be discussed where we can make our teaching and learning more interesting. And in today's session, we are going to discuss some of the uses of Google Classroom, especially when we can embed Google Classroom with other tools, our teaching becomes interesting one. For example, the first module is on test modes. Dr. Pramod Padwar, he discussed the test modes. How can we embed test modes and its interesting features with Google Classroom in order to make this platform interesting is the part of our discussion in this session. And I am going to share these uses of Google Classroom. Let me share my screen. This is the screen of my laptop. First I will go to the Google Classroom as usually by the process as we discussed in earlier sessions. Then click on the Google Classroom icon. Then it will open. It's opening now. These are my Google Classrooms. I will open one of them. I will open. So this is the home page of my this Google Classroom. Here earlier we discussed all the basics and we were in the classwork section. In classwork section, from create button, we discuss material and topic setting in earlier session. In this session we have to discuss the remaining, and the first one is assignment. Click on it. If you want to set, then this page will appear. Say title online examination. Give instruction if you want to give. Then come to these two buttons. First of them is create. If you click on create, then these 5 various tools will appear. And this is the interesting part of Google Classroom. You can embed these different tools with Google Classroom. Means whatever lacunas are there in Google Classroom, we can embed suitable tool with a Google Classroom. For example, in order to set the test, you can use Google Forms that we discussed in earlier session. Here, click on it and set the question. And if you want to save time, then already you have prepared your test in Google Classroom, Google Form. Then click on the button add and give link of the Google Forms where you set your test already. For example, click on the link and then go to your Google Drive. Your Google Forms is saved in your Google Drive. I will go in my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. I will open it. It's opening. Then these are various documents in my Google Drive. Then we have to select the online test, online examination. This is right click on this option will display. It is get shareable link. Click on it. then this is link, copy the link. Yes, I copied the link. Go to your classroom. Here you open the pop-up window, paste here the link and say add link. Here your test is set. Then to the right side, set here for the all student or select a student, whatever you want, we discussed in earlier session. Then say 20 marks or whatever be the marks. Then if you want to give due date, then give due date. And if there are certain topics related to the test is related to the topic, set topic from here, and this is the setting finished. Okay, and from here say assign it. The test is assigned to all student, and this is the assignment, online test. Student will go in this test, assigned test. They will click on this assigned test and they will appear. For example, first mail, I will write my mail. Then name, I will write my Dr. Tambe. Then say next. Then your text will appear. First question, which is the definite article? I will select the. Then go to the next question. This is next question. Identify part of speech. Certificate, noun, certify, verb. Then go to the next part of speech, fast. This is a multiple choice, so there may be 2 or more answer. Fast, fast is a verb and fast is also adverb. Then cut, cut is a verb. I have selected. Then cut is also noun. Clicked on it. Then go to the next. She is cool in her new dress. The word cool, what is the meaning of it? Cool means beautiful. I clicked on it and then I submitted. So I appeared as a student for the test. If you want to see your score, then you can see this is your score. Okay, you can see which are the correct answer and which are wrong answer. From here you can see, and in this way the test is set here and student can appear for the test. But the interesting part, I used Google Forms as a tool along with Google Classroom. Then next one, that is a quiz assignment. This is also interesting one, where we can embed one more tool with Google Classroom. For example, for the assignment and assessment examination, some are the lacunas in Google Classroom. We cannot get proper sheet of assessment of the student or many information. Then we can embed suitable tool with the Google Classroom. For example, quiz assignment. If you click on this quiz assignment, then give title. For example, I will give English vocabulary. Okay, instruction if you want to give, then you can give. Here again 2 ways. If you want to create, you can create. Then if you want to give link, then you can give from here. And here by giving link, you can embed the tool like test modes that we learned in the earlier module in the session of Dr. Pramod Padwar sir. Give link of the examination or the quiz or the test that you prepared in text modes. Give link here. For example, on my mail, this is the link of test modes where I set online quiz. Copy the link, say copy link address, go to your class, here the pop-up window is there, paste your link and add the link. So this is added here, test modes is added here. Again the same setting you have to do, and you have to assign here. If you assign from here, in the same way student will go to the set test English vocabulary. They will open it, they will appear for the test and they will submit it. And that is the interesting feature of Google Classroom, that you can set it with other tools, and in this way you can make your teaching and learning interesting with the help of Google Classroom. Another one option is there, questions. In the same way, briefly I'll explain. Here again set the question, here say short answer question, give the question or add from here and assign. So this is also one way. For example, in this section you can give short notes to the student, short note type of questions. Then again in the same section, this is another one button, that reuse post. If you click on it, already the activity you have conducted on your any Google Classroom, you can assign or reassign here. For example, I will reassign this soft skill to the student. Say reuse, it will set here and assign for the here, assign for the student. Say here assign it. So it is a assigned. So in this way you can make your Google Classroom and teaching and learning of Google Classroom interesting one. And these are the most of the features of Google Classroom we discussed in 4 sessions on Google Classroom. First point we discussed in first session, that is how to create Google Classroom. Second was how to use Google Classroom as a participant. Third was how to organize material, and this is fourth one, how to embed different tools with Google Classroom in order to make our teaching and learning and even assignment interesting one. So if you practice, it's interesting one, you can enjoy it. So let's enjoy it. Thank you very much.